Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an EKSA GLIMMER wireless gaming keyboard and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to restore the factory settings for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this keyboard is not working or not connecting to your computer, or if it keeps disconnecting or anything like that where it seems to be not responding, stuff like that can very often be fixed by restoring the factory settings. Now the second reason you might want to do this reset is just for whatever reason where you just want to wipe everything off of it and get it set up like it's just coming out of the box so that maybe you can set it up on a new computer or whatever without worrying about it being trying to connect to your old computer and stuff like that. This is actually really easy to do. We need to have power to the keyboard, and then all we need to do for the reset is just come in and find the function key and the backspace key. And we're just going to press and hold those keys simultaneously for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the keyboard will reset to its factory default settings, at which point you can just go ahead and set this up like a brand new keyboard.